Okay, so now let's talk about, we are done with polyhedrons ha. So now let's talk about rectangular solids. So muna siya itong rectangular solid, muna siya itong figure. So muna lang siya rectangle na gihimong 3D. Diba? So muna ang mga formulas na ito class ha. Paki-remember lang ko, you have here the diagonal. You have here, ang diagonal class mo ni siya. Oops, sorry, medyo pangit akong drawing it lang ha. Muna yung diagonal niya. That's the, ma'am, ganong inana ang formula. I-derive lang na siya class. Kaya assuming, say for example, muna mong width, muna mong height, muna itong length. Diba? So, kung mag-draw tag triangle diri mag-draw tag right triangle dira class. Assuming kani sa ubos, x na ha. Diba right triangle man siya, so pwede na ka mag-Pythagorean theorem. So you have here d squared equal to x squared plus h squared. Diba? Unsa man ni si x squared, ma'am? So, sige. Draw na po tag another triangle dito sa ubos lang, sa base. Another right triangle, rather. Right. So, pag mag-Pythagorean theorem po man na, you have x squared equal to w squared plus l squared. So, kani imuhang na-solve karon, modern ni mo ibutang dira So, pila naman na siya. Wait lang ha. Change color ta. So, mahimo siyang, unsa man, d squared equal to w squared plus l squared plus h squared. Take the square root of that. Hindi mo siyang inaan Which is basically mo ni siya. Yung formula. Right? So, mana itong diagonal. How about the lateral surface area, ma'am? Ang lateral surface area, muna siya ang area sa kilid lang. Ito ninyo. Wait lang ha. Okay, balik na. Sorry. Kaning lateral surface area, katong area sa kilid lang, muna imong lateral surface area. So, muna 2LH plus 2WH. So, ang iyang ikuha lang ani is, kanilang ang kilid lang, kaning nasa front, katong naa sa back, kaning sa kilid na to, o kaning sa kilid na to. So, basically, 2LH asa ang LH. Okay, so kaning 2LH, kuha nimo ang area sa front, LH, di ba na? So, kuha nimo ang area sa front, plus gikuha pa gid nimo ang area sa back, so 2LH, plus kanina po 2WH, mo nimong W, mo nimong H, kuha nimo ang area dili sa kilid, plus gikuha po gid nimo ang area sa kilid, so 2WH. Add mo na together, nakuha nimo yung lateral surface area. O yun kag total surface area class, mo to siya ang kilid plus ang top and bottom. So, ang nadungag lang ana sa formula, LH2, kani 2LW. So, W, mo ni W, L. So, kuhaan nimo ang area diri sa top nimo, plus kuhaan pa gid nimo ang area diri sa mo bottom class mo ng 2LW na to. So, basically lang class, just to simplify it, ang lateral surface area, mo na siya ang area sa kilid lang. Ang total surface area, mo na siya ang area sa kilid, so, plus katong top o bottom. Basically, that total surface area is just your lateral surface area plus your top and bottom faces. And that's it. Ang volume is ang unod yun mismo. So, length times width times height. Muna mo volume. Okay, so, tara, solve the example problems para ma-exercise pag natin itong utok ani ha. You have here, the length of rectangular solid is 3 times the width and the height. And the height is twice the width. So, find though the volume and the length of its diagonal if the total surface area is 198 inch squared. Okay, so diagonal ang gipangita and the volume. Sige. Sige, mga given. Sige, sulat sa ito mga given, be. The length of the rectangular solid is 3 times the width, and the height is twice the width. Find the volume. What is the volume? Length times width times height. And the length of its diagonal. So, ang diagonal, di ba, is square root of L squared plus W squared plus H squared as derived kanina. Kanina, di ba? Sige, find the volume and the length of its diagonal if the total surface area is 198. So, the total surface area is 198. O sige, ang formula for the total surface area, class. So, dili na to ninyo i-memorize ha. Common sense na lang dito. Kung kani W, kani L, kani H. O, sige, ito na yun. You have, sige, diretso na ko ha. Or sige, or ato ang i-elaborate. Sige, ato na lang iisa-isa ha. So, kaon sa natong area base kilid. So, that is, duha ka kilid man eh. So, that's duha ka kilid times width and height. Muna lang air sa kilid. Sa front and back, nakiduha ka front and back, length times height. So, LH. Tapos, top and bottom. So, ang top and bottom, duha ka buok, width times length. So, WL. Width times length, mo nang area sa mong top o bottom. Okay? Mo ni siya ang formula for the total surface area class. Yeah, ang ipangita is okay. Wait lang ha. Saan na ta? Sorry na, ni tawag. Sige, so mo ni siya. Given naman ni, so kani siya, imong length o height. Pag substitute na to siya ani na equation class. Masolve na to is W. Awa ha. Change ko color. Okay, ano eh. So, you have 198. Tana to ang formula ha. Wait lang, na nagtawag class. Wait lang ha. Okay, balik ta. Sorry class ha. Nanap yung nagtawag. Balik. So, asa na gani ko. So, kato, i-substitute natin ni si L o si H diri as itong equation. Kaya nga naman, masolve man ko na to si W, anak class. So, tara, bato na to. You have W. H ni mo is unsa? 2W. 2. L ni mo is unsa? 3W. H ni mo is unsa? 2W. 2W. L ni mo is unsa class? 3W. Diba? You have here one equation, one unknown class. Masolve din mo si W, ana. So, okay, gawas na to itong calculator, be. Sige mo dyan, taas. Wala mo grato, simplify mo na taas yun din siya. Pero, sige lang. The power of shift solve. Mas dali ni siya class kung i-simplify na to ha, pero nasugda naman. Wait lang class. Okay, so shift solve na ha. Shift solve. Answer is 3. 3 daw imo width. So, imuhang length, 3W to. So, 3 times 3, 9. Imuhang height, 2W. So, 2 times 3, 6. Amo ni yung dimensions sa imuhang rectangular solid. So, since kabalo naman ta sa width, sa length, ag sa height, makuha na po na to ng volume. Length times width times height naman to, di ba? So, that's just 9 times 3 times 6. So, pila na siya class? 9 times 3 times 6. Sorry. 162. Kung sa units, again, ang units, naka-inches man eh, inch cube. That is your volume. How about your diagonal, ma'am? So, applying lang the formula, you have L squared plus W squared plus H squared. 9 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared. So, for that, 9 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared. That's, oops. Mo ba ni? 9 plus, dili ni. Mantag na squared. 11.22. 11.22 inches lang na siya, class. And that's it for this problem. Right? So, sige, solve patag more sample problems. I think we have two more problems, class, before tayo mag-proceed with cubes. Here we have find the volume and the total surface area of the rectangular solid shown in the figure. Again, ang volume lang, class, is length times width times height. And yung total surface area, dili na nako i-derive ha, butang na nako diretso. Mo ni, di ba? Ang total surface area. Ang according sa figure, class, atong height 3, ato ang width, atong length na siya 4, ato ang width anong, pero atong diagonal given square root of 29. Kana mo ni imong height, mo ni imong length, width, diagonal. And since, class, di ba, kung ka-remember mo, di ba diagonal is just equal to square root of L squared plus W squared plus H squared. Given naman ang diagonal, given imong height, given imong length, therefore, masolve na imong W. So, substitute lang na siya, class, of square root of 29 is equal to 4 squared plus W squared plus H squared. So, 3 squared na siya, class. Solve na nato sa W. So, sige, solve na to sa W, ha. Sige, shift solve. Square root of 29. 4 squared plus squared, 3 squared. Shift solve. 2 daw atong width. Okay? So, kung inaanak man lang gani, class, na natay length, natay height, na natay width. Therefore, masolve na to si volume. Length times width times height. Length na to is 4. Width na to is 2. Bago wala na to na solve. Height na to is 3. So, pila man na siya, class. That is 24 units. Wala, no? So, cubic units lang na siya. Pag wag giingon ng mga units, class, kanang wala gud siya naka-state ng centimeter or meters or inches. Yung units ana kay units. So, volume man so cubic units. Okay? So, ang total surface area ron, kato na, 2WH plus 2LH plus 2W. So, again ang total surface area is the lateral surface area. So, ang area sa kilid plus ang top o bottom nimo, mo ang total surface area. Mo formula pag imo to i-derive. So, substitute dahil na itong mga given. So, you have 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, plus 2, 2, 4. So, solving for that, class, sige. 2, 2, plus 2, 4, 3, plus 2, 2, 4, 52. Total surface area is 52. Ang units, square units. Kay area man, square units. Okay, so last sample problem for rectangular solids before tayo mag-proceed with cubes. So, we have here, find the area of the triangular section of the rectangular solid shown in the figure. Okay. Sige. So, atong buhaton ron, solve na to dapat kaning A, kaning B, o kaning C. Kani ba? Kana siya nakilid. O kaning kilid, ambot if makita niyo. Ganyan. Balik ta. So, kailangan nato ni mo solve kanina side. Kana na side. Once mo gud ma-solve nato or ma-identify nato ng tulo ka sides, class, ma-solve ra nato na iyang area using Heron's formula. So, ang problema na to karon is, ma'am, saan pag-solve si A, si B, o si C? Diba? So, yung buhaton, yung buo-buo mo triangle. So, say for example, kani, this is one triangle. Sorry, medyo pangit akong drawing. But this is one triangle. Okay, kung ako nang i-draw diri a class, mo ni si A, 8. Pila man ni siya class? 4. Right? O, so masolve na to si A. A squared is equal to 8 squared plus 4 squared. Pila si A class? You have here 8 squared plus 4 squared. Take the square root of that. 4 square root of 5. Mo na siya. Solve na to si A. How about B, ma'am? So, si B, lahi na po, lahi na to color. Oops. Di na to mag-lahi color. Kani, Kani mo na siya. So, pag mag-solve ko triangle, mo ni si B, pila man 12. 12 man daw na siya. 12 man na siya. Pila man height, di ba na? Pilang height? 8. So, B squared is equal to 12 squared plus 8 squared. Pila si B? Take the square root of that. 4 square root of 13. Solve na to si B. How about si C? Another triangle na po diri a class. Diba? So, C ni 12. 4. So, C squared is equal to 12 squared plus 4 squared. C is pila? Four square root of 10. Diba? So, nakuha na nato ang A, B, and C. So, kabalo na ta na si A, 4 square root of 5. Kabalo na ta na si B, 4 square root of 13. Kabalo na ta na si C, 4 square root of 10. Now, we know the values of all the three sides. Therefore, we can solve now the area of this triangular section using the Heron's formula. So, Heron's formula, si formula for that class, if nag-discuss na mo og trigonometry, more likely naka-discuss na pud mo ani, or trigonometry ba, or plane geometry, I forgot, basta na dira area of that triangle. Sige, trigonometry gid ay is s minus a, s minus b, s minus c square root. Unsa man ang s, ma'am? S is the semi-perimeter. So, add lang nimo tanang mga sides, divide that by 2. So, in this case, you have 4 square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 13 plus 4 square root of 10. Divide that by 2, pila si S. Saan ako? Saan naman ko? Saan naman to? Ayan. So, sorry ha. You have here 4 square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 4. Mas paspas ni if mag-solve mo using your own calculator dara ha, sa inyohang own panimalay. So, 18 daw si S, si semi-perimeter. Kani imong A, kana si B, kana si C, mo na ang mga sides na atong na-solve. So, imo siyang 18. Tapos, follow lang ni formula ha. Kana na formula, i-follow lang ninyo. 18 minus 4 square root of 5. 18 minus 4 square root of 13. Tapos 18 minus 4 square root of 10. Solve na dahil na to si area. Pila man na siya class. Solve dahil ninyo. 18 minus 4 square root of 5. 18 minus 4 square root of 13 18 minus 4 square root of 10. 55.9? Yeah, 55.9 square units. Okay? So, wala siya tong area. Easy lang, no? As long as makuha na ninyo ang mga sides at class. Solve na yun using Heron's formula. In fact, if wala kalimot ganin mong area, di ba ang equilateral triangle? Square root of 3 over 4 e squared man to. If nakalimot man nino formula, no? Pwede ra gyud pud ninyo i-apply ang Heron's formula class. Same ra gyud na inyo makuha na answer. Okay? Sige. Pwede na to i-try karon ha. Sa siguro if na problem for that, kita na to.